For the hands-on station, you're going to be completing a football puzzle. You need to decide which puzzle pieces go in which places. If you look at their puzzle pieces, you have some with word problems and some with math facts equations. If I look at my pieces, I need to look at the pieces that are missing. If I just have a number like this, that means this is an answer. So I need to look on my pieces to decide where do I have an equation that equals that answer. And so if I look at both pieces, I have 4 times 2, I have 10 times 5, and on this one I have 14 times 1. My answer over here was 14, so the piece that probably goes in this place is 14 times 1, and it lines up with the answer 14. I then need to go back and check the other sides of the piece to make sure they all match and equal true equation. So 9 times 5, if I count by 5s 9 times, I'm going to end up with 40. If I look at my word problem here, I have Susie has 3 bags of footballs. She has 5 in each bag. How many footballs does she have in all? If I take 3 bags times 5 balls, 3 times 5 is 15. So I know I have 2 sides that are correct, 3 sides that are correct. If I check the bottom here, I have 2 times 4. That answer is 8, so I know I have all the sides correct, and so this piece is in the right place. If I move on and look at my next piece, I have 2 times 6. If I think about what my answer would be for 2 times 6, 2 groups of 6 would be 12. And so if I take my puzzle piece and I line up the 12 right under my equation 2 times 6, then I need to check all the other sides. I have 10 times 5. If I count by 10s 5 times, I'm going to end up with 50. If I count 4 groups of 2, I'm going to end up with 8. If I have 3 equal groups of 5, I'm going to count 5, 10, 15 3 times, and that's going to match up with the answer that I have next to the piece. Once I have all my pieces in place, then I am done. Some of you will be doing just the brown pieces. Some of you will be working on brown and yellow. And group 3 is going to be working on all the brown, yellow, and orange pieces. Do your best to get all your pieces in place. Make sure that you are listening at the end of your station so that you can make sure you get the right colored pieces pulled off for the next group to be able to complete their expectation at the station.